All right, friends. So today we're going to be working on a word problem all about comparing blueberries. So Ashley and Mike were picking blueberries. Ashley had 19 blueberries and she ate 10. Mike had 13 and he picked 7 more. Compare Ashley and Mike's blueberries after Ashley ate some and Mike picked some more. So we're going to start out with Ashley's equation today. So Ashley had 19 blueberries, so we're going to put that on our number line. But 19 is not a nice number, so we are going to add 1. We're going to add that to our visual, and we're going to add 1 to our timeline, and that makes it an even 20. And then since 20 is a nice even number, we can subtract 10 super easy, and that's just going to be 10. And we're just going to take a minute to cross out all those blueberries on our timeline, on our visual. All right, so we crossed off all 10 of those blueberries on our visual, but since we did add 1 to 19 up there, we have to subtract 1 from 10 because 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and we can't add any numbers to on our thing. So we have to take away that, so 19 minus 10 is equal to 9. Now we can move on to Mike's. So Mike had 13 and he picked 7 more. So 13 is not a nice even number, so we're going to try to subtract 3 to make that an even 10. So we're going to go 13 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 10. And we're also going to cross that off on our visual up at the top. We're just going to cross off those 3 lone blueberries at the bottom. And 7 is not such a nice easy number either. So with 7, we can start there, but we are going to add 3 to make it an even 10. So we're going to go 7 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. Now, since 10 is a nice easy number and so is 10, we can take 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. We're just going to put that on our visual so you guys can see that happening. All right, and there's 7, and we're going to go 8, 9, 10, and put that on our visual. But since we did take 3 and add it or subtract it from 13, but we also added 3 to 7 to make it 10, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So that is okay in our books. We don't have to do anything else. So that means that our 13 blueberries plus 7 blueberries is going to be 20, and we can see that on our diagram in just a few minutes. And then moving on, we're supposed to compare the blueberries. So Ashley had 9 and Mike had 20. So we're going to take 9 compared to 20. And we know that 9 is less than 20.